Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got to look at the Air Jordan 11 IE. Before we get into the review, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any one of our latest videos. With that all said, let's get into the review. So what we've got here are probably the most, in my opinion, like off the radar, low key, like really underrated like of the Air Jordan retros that have come out this year. And as I mentioned in the intro of this video, we've got to look at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IE. Now the IE has been heavily debated on what it means. It means, like, loads of people have said it means international edition, but from what I've heard from like other YouTubers like Wear Testers and Heskicks, they were like, it released in the US, where obviously Jordan and Nike are based in. So it's a myth what IE was meant to be, whether or not that IE means international edition. Apparently it doesn't. I want to know, like, hit the comments below if you know what it is, because we really want to know. So we'll get into the colorway. So we've got it in the black fire red cement grey, and we got it in the UK 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Now first, before I open the box, I love this box. It's the classic retro Air Jordan 11 one, the ones that came out with the Concords as well. We've done a review of the Concords, so have a look at this. You'll understand why I believe this to be like one of the most underrated, under the radar releases of this year. Because, oh yeah, believe it or not, these are still sitting on shelves, and bang, look at that. Really nice. Like, I remember seeing my like uncles wear these back in the day. So these released around 95, and it must have been like 3, 4, and yeah, I just remember looking in and just gazing upon them. But yeah, so let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is like a smoky grey translucent rubber with the herringbone traction pods there on the heel and at the forefoot, sorry. And I love this like Jumpman logo right there. You can see it, it's red. It blends in well with that like smoky grey. And so we've got the carbon fiber shank that's here. And apparently it's not the same place that Nike or Jordan, sorry, used to get their shank plates from. You'll always remember it from being in most of the Air Jordan 11s, but it's from another factory because the original factory that did that carbon fiber shank is closed and they don't exist anymore. So loads of people have not debating, but they've been saying that this is fake. It's not. This is the real deal. Nike just found a different place to source like these materials. So we'll start with the midsole, and encased underneath this foamy midsole is an air unit, so similar to the Air Jordan 11. Obviously this is not like the Air Jordan 11 retro, but it's got like the same rubber outsole, the midsole, that carbon fiber shank as well. This is more like for ventilation. And why I say ventilation, if you look up, going along to the up of the shoe, so underneath these beautiful elephant cement outlays is like a breathable mesh that's underneath here. So this was designed for, you know, breathability around your feet. And if you didn't know, like the last time that Nike did an elephant print before like the retros and all of that was the Air Jordan 3 black cement 3s. I said 3 a lot there, but you know what I mean. And you can see it like with that black cement here, and the tongue is so reminiscent of the black cement 3s as well. This is just a hybrid of the two, of an Air Jordan 11 with the Air Jordan 3. But I'm digressing. If you have a look, we got, I wouldn't say it's the best quality leather, but it looks tumbled here. So you have an all leather at the toe box area and around the medial and lateral sides as well. As I mentioned, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this is see-through. Like, you can see the inside of the shoe through this mesh. Typical, like, nice classic lacing system. The tongue reminiscent of the Air Jordan 3, as I mentioned. Got the red Jumpman logo. It's grey collar back on the backing as well, and a nice high, like, ankle support as well. So with all that said, I'm really so stoked to try these on, because like I said, this is a combination of the two Jordans that we love here. We've done the reviews of the Air Jordan 11, we've done the Concords and the Space Jams, and we've done the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, so you can see like the inspiration behind it right here. And honestly, I think this is one of the most underrated releases of this year. These are still sitting on the shelves by the time of recording this, so if you're lucky to get a pair, or forgive me, if you want to get a pair, go get them. They're still sitting, which is just such a shame, because all the kids now, they want hype stuff. They can get like one of the most staple, like, hybrids. I mean, it's classed as an Air Jordan 11, but to me it's like a hybrid. But before the Spizike, these were really hot. So can't wait to try these on. Let's do it. Guys, this is really comfy on. I've got no complaints at all. Really looks cool to wear, comfy. Sizing, get your true to size, and that is all I've got to say about these really dope trainers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.